Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Yukon Snowshoe Adult Kit in vibrant green, designed for the ultimate winter adventure. This kit boasts ultra-strong 6,000 aluminum frames that promise durability and resilience in the harshest conditions. The Rapid Lite Flex heel strap ensures a snug and comfortable fit, allowing you to focus on the trail ahead. With all-terrain crampons, you'll experience exceptional traction, whether you're trekking through deep snow or icy paths. The included poles feature our fast lock adjustment system, making it easy to customize the height to your preference. Plus, the kit comes complete with a convenient carrying bag and both snow and trekking baskets, ensuring you're prepared for any terrain. Get ready to explore the great outdoors with confidence and style with the Yukon Snowshoe Adult Kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.